We are part of the Trust Project. The next star to enter the I'm a Celebrity jungle has been announced as presenter Ian Lee. The comedian and talk radio host will an extra addition to the team and is expected to be heading into the jungle soon. ITV bosses will be hoping the controversial stand-up shakes things up a bit as the initial 10 celebs get settled into camp life. A source told The Sun, Ian isn't afraid to speak his mind. He regularly rants and raves on his talk radio show and his listeners should expect the same from him in the jungle. He's very much in the mold of Danny Baker, who was also a late arrival last year. Expect fireworks. It's likely Ian won't hold back when it comes to speaking his mind in the camp. The 44-year-old is best known for starring on current affairs shows including Channel 4's The 11 O'Clock Show and RSE. After 3 years at London talk radio station LBC, Ian resigned and went on to host a late-night talk show on Absolute Radio until 2011. In 2016 he joined Talk Radio, to present the late-night alternative. Ian has also appeared on This Morning to discuss topical news stories and occasionally on Sky News to review the newspapers. Ian will be joining boxer Amir Khan, Boris Johnson's father Stanley Johnson, Coronation Street actress Jenny McAlpine and Hollyoaks actor Jamie Lomas in the jungle. Made in Chelsea's Georgia Toffolo and Saturday's singer Vanessa White are also currently in camp alongside comedian Shappi Khorsandi, YouTube personality Jack Maynard, ex-footballer Dennis Wise and Rebecca Vardy, wife of England footballer Jamie. The show returned for the 17th series on Monday night with Ant and December back on presenting duties. Daily Mirror showbiz editor Mark Jefferies is in Australia and will bring you a daily bulletin of news, views, interviews and backstage gossip. Subscribe on iTunes, Audio Boom or your favorite podcast app. Viewers have already voted for the first celebs to take part in the Bush Tucker trial. Amir Khan and Georgia Toffolo will be the first 2 celebs to face their fears to get meals for their campmates. The boxer and Made in Chelsea star will have to put their hands in holes filled with critters, including snakes and spiders. I'm a Celebrity is on ITV1 every night.